So I'm Jasper Lee, the founder and CEO at SortSpoke. We're a Sapiens partner, and we help carriers and MGAs that write commercial P&C lines ingest new business submissions. And we're working with Sapiens to ingest new business submissions and put them directly into PolicyWorks so that you can quickly rate, quote, and bind. So actually part of our whole philosophy is that AI needs to be explainable. So SortSpoke's AI is all built around the philosophy of, here's all of the things that we think are in the submission that are relevant to you. Here's how the AI came up with the answers. Here's exactly where it is, so you can check it for yourself. And we think you should double check these 5, because you're the human experts at the end of the day. One of the great things about Sapiens that Sapiens customers really appreciate is that it's so configurable to their exact needs. Similarly, SortSpoke, we don't start from a one-size-fits-all AI. We actually start from what data do you need for your underwriting process, which would be the data that Sapiens needs, and we actually tailor the AI to that. So actually, from a philosophical standpoint, our two companies work really well together. So where we're starting today is to take new business submissions in. There's certain document types in there, like loss runs, soon to be SOVs. We're going to basically ingest those and be able to put them directly into Policy Pro without people having to rekey all of those submissions in. The next wave of that is to keep adding more and more document types for the complete submission. So essentially, you can just forward the entire email with all of the attachments, and they all just magically show up in Policy Pro. The next wave of that, which would probably come in a future release with Sapiens, would be actually, we would embed the SortSpoke experience directly inside Sapiens. So you wouldn't even know that you're using SortSpoke. It's just, it lives inside Sapiens as a seamless user interface for the underwriting operations team. Well, one other thing that we're just starting to talk about and think about with Sapiens is the future beyond just submissions, just P&C. There's a whole world out there in insurance, including MPL, including workers' comp, but also life reinsurance, where there are documents. AI can play a large role in that and in supporting that, but in a way where ultimately people can trust the AI. And that's a whole journey, and we're looking forward to doing it with Sapiens. Something that we find very unique about Sapiens and working with them is how quickly they innovate. From ideation to our first prototype to talking to customers, we're talking about weeks. It's not months and years. It was really weeks. They're open to innovating and partnering. And that's key. It takes a special kind of core system vendor to effectively work with an ecosystem of insurtechs. Sapiens has that commitment and the willingness to do that, and I think they're really showing it.